Yo, I've blown up my channel doing something that only 1% of YouTubers do. This is my dirty secret to blowing up your YouTube channel. Law number 6, court attention at all costs. The 48 laws of power. And guess what? 99% of YouTubers, including you, don't get views because they're scared of doing something different. They're scared of courting attention. The way you grow on YouTube is to go against the grain. People want something new and novel, and if you just make the same shit as everyone else, you're going to get the same results as everyone else. Little to no views. The first thing that anyone sees browsing YouTube is thumbnails. This is your chance to shine pretty much. Pick up Photoshop and start experimenting with your thumbnails. Make them weird, zany, and even shocking. Don't be afraid to go the extra mile. Okay, remember when I talked about law number 6? We must court attention at all costs. It's easier said than done, but you can train your brain to make thumbnails that stand out with enough practice. I work with a few YouTubers on my Patreon, which is $30 a month, and I help them with their thumbnails and titles. So if you want my opinion and my feedback and my work, go join the VIP tier and I'll get you right. The videos that gained the most views on my channel, Cool Indie Games, it's a video essay channel, were the ones that had a title and thumbnail that created a sort of like morbid curiosity, thus ending up being super clickable. So seriously, do not try to be perfect, and please don't try to be like everyone else. It's probably not going to work and you're just going to be wasting your time. Now with the title, it's equally as important as the thumbnail. You want your title typically as short as possible. It depends on the video, of course, but with as much substance as possible. For example, my video Gmod's Evil Twin, JB Mod, was a title that only had 24 characters and the max on YouTube being 100 characters. And this video got 5,000 plus views and is still getting views to this day. And at the time, I actually had less than 70 subscribers on that channel. Why did the title work? It was short and the title was full of substance within those 24 characters. Really take your time with the title and put yourself in the shoes of the average viewer. And no offense, but the average viewer is someone with a goldfish brain and fried dopamine receptors. If you want views, we must be creative. That's all the free gems I'm dropping today. If you want